Hello, TimbScale here with a tutorial about how to select and construct the components for the TimbScale Modular Walling system. The first thing to do is to select the length of the walling that you require and its general shape, and from that determine the length of components and types of components, including gates and diagonal pieces, that you require. Once you've jotted down a design, you then need to determine whether a left hand, a centre or a right style of walling is required to suit the orientation of the gates and corners. You can then select if you want the low front garden walling or the high security walling. You can then select from a choice of 5 styles of walling, including steel railing, square breeze blocks, diamond breeze blocks, clover pattern breeze blocks, or just a full wall. You can now choose to embellish the tops of the columns with one of 4 different types of capping. You can choose from a plain concrete pyramid cap, a ball cap, a Victorian cap, or a brick cap. Having jotted down the components that you require, go to scale3d.co.uk and select them from the website, adding them to your shopping cart to make up the order. Once you've received your order, lay them out according to the plan that you made previously, and ensure that you've obtained the right numbers and components to make up the system that you want. You can now start to assemble and glue together the straight lines of walling. We recommend using a small amount of superglue to glue the components together. Once you've constructed the major sub-assemblies, this is a good time to take the opportunity to paint them. It's now time to glue the sub-assemblies together into the shapes either side of any gates. You can glue the sub-assemblies to the baseboard with Bostik or Yoo-hoo glue. That way they're not permanently fixed if something should go wrong, and some flexibility to allow you to straighten them up and get the final positions correct. Always ensure that you leave the correct gap between the posts for the gates. Once the walling is complete, you can now add the capping stones. There is a full PDF instruction sheet downloadable on each of the pages of the website. It's also linked below this video. I will be developing more styles of walling in the future. If you want to have a say, join the TimbScale 3D printing group on Facebook and have your say interactively with me.